We can also create our own kind of partitioner. We call this custom partitioner. Say, we have an RDD with some partitions and we want to repartition it such that it creates two partitions. The second partition having all the keys starting with alphabet greater than J and remaining keys in the first partition. In the example, we have 3 partitions and we want 2 partitions. First one having Giri, Abhishek and Jude, while second partition in the output should have Sandeep and Shravani. To create your custom partitioner, you would need to define a class that extends partitioner. In the first line, we are importing this partitioner class. Our partitioner takes an integer as argument with name numPartitions in constructor, even though we are not using this variable at all. This class should override 3 methods. First, getPartition, which gets key as the argument and it returns a number between 0 to 1 less than the total number of partitions. So, this method is the one that dictates to which partition a key would go to. The second method, equals, is used for comparing two partitioners, and third method, hashCode, is used for computing hashCode. We are not going to use either of those two methods. Equals and hashCode are kind of standard methods to implement in a Java class. Now, let's use this partitioner. First, we create an RDD X having key value pairs by using parallelize over an array. We are passing 3 as second argument to parallelize method. This creates an RDD X with 3 partitions. Let's convert the entire RDD into array of arrays such that each partition becomes an array element. We can use collect to get and print the whole array of arrays. This helps us understanding the partitions very clearly. Next, we run the partition by method on our RDD with new instance of partitioner class we just created. We assign the result to new RDD Y. Let's check using glom how is the structure of our new RDD Y. You can see that this new RDD has 2 partitions. First partition containing all the keys starting with alphabet A to J, and second partition having the keys whose first character is after J. You can see that we are able to successfully use our new partitioner to partition our RDD.